Hey everyone! Ever wondered what actually runs your JavaScript code behind the scenes, whether in Chrome, Node.js, or even in desktop apps like VS Code? Today, we're diving into the engine that makes it all happen, V8, Google's high-performance JavaScript engine. V8 is the name of the JavaScript engine that powers Google Chrome. It's the tool responsible for taking your JavaScript code and executing it while you're browsing the web, or building server-side apps with Node.js. Here's an important distinction. V8 is just the JavaScript engine. It parses and executes JS. The DOM and all those web APIs like fetch, local storage, and document, those are provided by the browser. Together, they form the runtime environment. What makes V8 so powerful? It's not tied to Chrome alone. In fact, this independence allowed something huge to happen: Node.js. When Node launched in 2009, V8 was chosen as the engine behind it. That decision sparked the rise of full-stack JavaScript, and today, V8 powers not only websites, but servers, command-line tools, and even desktop apps with frameworks like Electron. Now, Chrome isn't the only browser with its own engine. Here's a quick breakdown. Firefox uses SpiderMonkey Safari runs on JavaScriptCore, aka Nitro. Microsoft Edge used to have Chakra, but now it also uses V8, thanks to the Chromium base. All of these engines follow the ECMAScript standard, which defines how JavaScript should behave. The quest for speed performance is key. V8 is written in C++ and it's constantly being updated. It runs on Windows, Mac, Linux, you name it. And just like its rivals, V8 is in a constant race to get faster and more efficient. Wait, isn't JavaScript interpreted? Here's where it gets really interesting. JavaScript has always been seen as an interpreted language. But modern engines, including V8, don't just interpret code anymore. They compile it. That's right. V8 uses something called just-in-time compilation, or JIT, to make your code run faster. Interpreted versus GT compilation. Why? Because JavaScript has evolved. What used to be a few lines of form validation is now full-blown web apps with thousands of lines running for hours. Compiling the code means faster execution, better performance, and a smoother experience for users. So the next time you write a console.log or build a Node.js API, remember, V8 is working hard behind the scenes to make it fast and efficient. And thanks to the competition between engines, the entire web is getting faster year after year.